Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Illustrator tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to disable or hide some of the recently files displayed in your home screen, just like what you see right here in Adobe Illustrator. Let me show you how. The simple setting you need to do is to simply come to the top right here. So go ahead and click on Edit from the top right here. The next thing you want to do is to make sure you look for Preferences right here. Under the Preferences, navigate to File Handling right here, and it's going to take you right here. So here, number of recently filed display, this is where you need to work on, right? Okay, so all you have to do is to simply make sure you turn this from 20 to 0, and the next thing you want to do here is to simply hit on OK, just like so. Boom, and you see all the file here has been fully disappeared from my recently opened in the home page right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Illustrator software to design, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.